Hey, 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 on a wonderful Sunday. Oh my God. It's Class C now. That's the bias and the single sideband delay on a relay that had no volts. That wasn't working. Wow. If it would have worked, probably been alright. So I took the 150 out. This was on the output. These things want to give up, so it's still read good. I just took it out. I put one of them blue Alibabas in there because I know it ain't going bad. I matched. These are the 120s. They're all 4 picofarad in difference, all mismatched. But you know what? It's fine. It's probably still fine. One of these is a 15, which was on the input. I took that out. What else? Oh yeah, had a nasty imbalance. So sometimes the big transformers wanna cause a problem. Not this one, but I have solved the problem before by changing to the smaller ones. But I put a couple of 1.25 in it, and yeah, made no difference whatsoever. So I just keep this for another 4 pil. Since it's new built. That's about it. But I have the top on this thing because, like, I found a solution to the little bit of oscillation that was making it imbalance. I stopped it dead center. Only took me 6 hours. That's all. You can't charge 6 hours. But you know what? This is a good customer of mine's friend's amp. So sometimes you got to give a little. It had one blown transistor. I probably already showed that, but I put 2 of them in there, and I even tried putting two more brand new 2879s in there. I think that, well, sometimes this can be a pure bitch. Yeah, it's like I always say, you can build them, but if there's an issue and you don't have any experience with the issues, you basically just flunked. So anyway, yeah, I don't want to give away what I did because it's a new thing that I found that gets rid of the stupid oscillation in the imbalances. Oscillation imbalances in the straight 4s. The relay was never hanging up in this. It just had an imbalance, but it has no imbalance no more. I can't send it back with the 100 ohm getting warm or hot. I can't just put a 5-watt 100 ohm there and call it a day, even though it's still imbalancing. Somebody told me to put a 100 ohm sand block resistor on the back. Oh Lord, yeah, we had a lot of fun with that, but no, that ain't gonna happen. So I can guarantee you that there ain't no 100 ohm sand block resistor on this amp. It is a 3-watt, just like always. Well, why you hiding it? Why you got the top on it? Because I can. Because I don't want to show what actually took the imbalance, the oscillation causing the imbalance away. Okay, that's going to be my little secret there. And I ain't giving it up. But it worked. It's something different that I tried because I ran out of options. Usually the other things I did worked fine, but this one did not. But you know, you learn something every day, man. So I did it. I finally figured it out. Thank God, because I was out of options. You know what I mean? I done changed the output transformers, rebuilt it like me. I put the 5/8 big ones back in it because that wasn't the issue. I figured that changing the input transformers to a different value wasn't gonna do any good, and I didn't want to change that and it do it, but I finally did something that whoop, straightened it right out, and I am so glad because that is going to help me so much in the future for sure. All right, I'm only driving it with my 99 V2. Down is just operate, no SSB anymore. Up is just operate, no SSB anymore. On 14.5 volts. Hello audio. On 23, 24 amps. Hello audio. Hello audio. 400, 40s 400. 1000 watt slug. Input reflect is sweet. It always had a sweet input reflect. Hello, 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 hello. Alright. So that's it. I'm gonna send this bad band jammer home. And thank God I figured out that that little oscillation thing. That's gonna help me out in the near future too. So with that, I'm gonna say we have rain coming again. Cool, one more little cool spell and back to the 86s. And I need to cut the grass, and it's a beautiful day today to be in here in this hellhole at Cat Amps. Slow Block 6, Allegatown, Alabama, and I'm gone. Y'all have a great week.